Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Today I'm going to show you how I would model a pergola or however you want to pronounce it. So what I would do, I would start with a rectangle just as a guideline, start in the origin here, and we'll make it to the size that you want to have the pergola or the pergola. So we'll make it maybe 3,500 by 3,000. This is millimeters. Wait, nope, 3,500. So, and then in each corner I would start with a rectangle and draw the posts. Make them maybe 100 by 100 millimeters. And then the height, yeah, decide yourself. I can make it like 2 meters, 2,000 millimeters. Then I'm going to make this into a group. I'm going to copy it over to the other side, so the other corners. So there's the first one. Hold down Control and select both of these ones and make a copy. So Control again and place them in the corner. So now I've got the basic shape. I can double click on this rectangle and delete it. We don't need it anymore. So the next thing, I would do the short pieces on the side. I'm going to make mine about 145 with the depth. So we'll place it around here, and I can see that, yeah, it's 3 meters long like I made it. So we do it 145 by 3,000. And then give it a push-pull. 45 millimeters I'm going to make this. And then triple click and right click, make group. And then copy it over to the other short side. I'm going to use this as my base point. Press Control to take a copy and place it on the outside over the opposite side. So then now we're going to make the long side. So a rectangle again. Start furthest out on the left, and then now we've got the size already, so we don't need to write it. It's just a click. The only thing we need to do is give it a thickness. Again, 45 millimeters. Triple click on this one, right click, make group, and then move. I'm going to take a copy of it, so it's Control as well, and then place it on the opposite side. So there we get the basic shape. Now what you can do, if you want, you could take this one on the left, select the midpoint, press Control, and place this in the middle of everything until it finds a midpoint here. So keep going. Nah, midpoint in group. And then it's either, well, if I was going to build this, I'm not a joiner or anything like that, but I'm just a DIYer. This is where I would put this piece. I'll place it there for a bit of extra strength, and then divide that by 3. And then the same on this side. Take a copy of this one and place it on the post around that, and also divide it by 3 like this. And there you get a basic pergola. You can also add the materials if you like. You could go to wood. Maybe this one is like oak kind of material. Well, if we just select everything at once, take the paint bucket and click on just one piece of wood, everything, the materials apply to everything. So that's just your basic shape, basic pergola or pergola. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.